Yo. Alright, 18 seconds. Sorry I'm a little late. I literally have no idea what this is gonna do. No idea. I'm just gonna I'm not even gonna take a demo, I'm sorry. I'm not taking a demo. I have no idea what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna watch. Damn! I was gonna guess long, but... Okay, I see you, CPI. Yeah, the estimates of it, like the estimates were literally so low. So this is not surprisingly that this is bullish. The estimates were like way lower than last time, so. Damn, bro. Holy shit. Now is this, I'm just waiting. I don't even know what to... I think we're gonna go for, we should keep going higher here on NQ. We should keep going for this right here on NQ. I guess. Yeah, so obviously I didn't demo trade that or take that or anything, but not surprisingly bullish. The estimates have just been so low, and the chart really didn't tell me anything. I mean, the chart was bullish technically. I still think we're gonna go for this buy side here. Yo. How's it going? You haven't? Yeah, I'm not even close to. I'm not even close to losing my fund. It's like I'm way in profit on them, and the reason is I never take NQ and ES. I just do MNQ and ES contracts, or MNQ and MES contracts. My fund did like, and honestly, after that, I was just managing risk and not taking a huge loss. And even if you do overtrade with a few of those contracts, it's not going to hurt you at all. I guess. Yeah. Here, I'll try this on my... No, I'll try this on... I'm not gonna long yet. I'm gonna see if we get, like... maybe right here, and then I'll try and eval long. I'm not taking this semi-funded. I'm not taking this unfunded. There's absolutely no way. Yeah, this is too big of a stop. You're right. I was gonna take NQ on it, but I don't think NQ might blow it. No, I'll take an eval long probably. I want to see if we get a pullback here first. No, I've been saying a lot more lately. We could just rip here, just so you know, guys. I'm not in here. But you might just. Is there a 15-second fair value gap here? Here, I'm gonna buy one MNQ here, and then if we go down, I'll just average down. No, it's fine. Alright, I'm already up 5 points. Let's go. Oh, 10 points here. Alright, I'm already up 10 points. Holy shit. Okay, that was easy. I'm moving my stop to break even now. I honestly just might take off at... never mind. Yeah. See, like, I don't even know what to guess. I mean, I'm not... The expectations are so low that... the expectations are so low, I'm not surprised. Alright, take off... If you're in more than one contract, take off at one here, and then hold the other one till here. That was a free 16 points I just gave you guys. Okay, there's 20 points. Well, not yet. Alright, there's 20 points. I'm still holding mine. I scaled one. I'm trying to hold the other till up here. So, this gave us 15 points. Stop for the others at break even. Probably not. I'm guessing they're not going to make this easy on us. I'm guessing this is going to get stopped to break even. The other one is fine. We got to hold this. We're extremely high though, so I don't know if we will. Still 10 points in profit on the other one, so looking pretty good so far. I don't like how he didn't hit this fair value gap here. Hopefully it doesn't matter, but yeah, just a little more. Okay, back up 20 points again. If I can get 33 points, that'd be perfect. A little bit more, please. So now there's an order block here. Which again, we're so high, this might not hold, but obviously we want to see it hold. You guys can get all, like, I'm trying to hold for the home run. It's obviously, this is up 15 points, so you can get out if you want. I already scaled one, I don't really care how much now. Okay. We're probably, see, I don't even know if we're gonna go for these equal lows now. If I had to guess, probably gonna hit these equal lows here. My entry was at about 15,400, so when I said I was getting long, so hopefully this holds. If not, I'll just get out the break even. And that gave us 20 points though, so beautiful play already. Alright, so let's see if it gets stopped here. Gotta see this. Want to see this hold. It's not a good long, okay? It's not a good long. We're way too high. Alright, so I just stopped to break even there for the other contract. Beautiful play. 15 points. And then stopped to break even for the other. So that was a really good play. So I'm probably not going to take another one to open after that. If I even take anything. Hopefully most of you guys caught that. They made that real easy on us. Pumped as soon as I bought. Fortunately did not hit the home run target, but how many of you guys took that? Nice, Marshall. Yeah, that was, most of you should have taken that. Pretty straightforward. How do you lose on that? Did you not chase when I said? Yeah, so you don't get in late on chases, no matter what. Yeah, that was a really easy chase, and the volatility was so good there where it instantly gave us 20 points, so super nice. Now I'd just be waiting for a long. The body might hold of this. I'm not in this, I'm just watching, but this is still technically bullish. It just at my break even stop. Nice, Lamb. Hey, nice, Reggie. Did you get your, how many points did you get on that, Reggie? I'm in before the Pope started. What do you mean the Pope? Bro, I hate when people post demo executions of CPI. Like, we do not care. So looks like this body might close under, which is fine. I'd really just be looking for a pullback or some sort of long here, which I don't know when we're gonna get it. Probably somewhere in here, I'm guessing. No matter what, I don't know where we're gonna get the long setup. Like, no matter what, this is still bullish. Like, I honestly could have held the MNQ and just probably kept averaging down and been fine. But I was obviously not gonna do that. It's stupid. So there's about 15 more minutes until those 15-minute candle closes. So because we just expanded here, this might be a consolidation candle in the 15-minute. So we might get a little chop here. The market has not opened, even though it kind of looks like it opened. Did not open, so not be surprised if you kind of chop around here. Now we'll go back to them eventually, Babs. Definitely too minor to consider them at the moment. Oh, I see what you're talking about. Yeah. Yeah, if we get a short and we kind of start to violate this, those would actually be good targets. So, there's like 10 equal lows here. Like 1, 2, 3. I'm guessing there's more than 1 minute here. A ton of equal lows here. By the way, what is this right now? This is a perfect inverse. We retested it. So they already gave 10 points. I did not take them as watching, but I'm guessing when we close back above this inverse, we should just pump. Yeah, I'm just tape reading this, not actually taking anything. It's funny, like it looks like the market opened, but it hasn't. Gold. So gold, I thought was going to draw down to that daily liquidity, but I don't think it will anymore because we're kind of bouncing on the weekly. I think gold is going to run decent amount because we have low resistance liquidity. So. And then Euro is definitely bullish as well. Alright, let's get like a fair value gap or something. Yeah, oil I'd be looking for shorts as well. Definitely slowing down a little bit. Not surprising. We know this price action is going to be bad. or consolidation, right? 'Cause we just got a bunch of expansion. Pretty sure someone bought over $1 million worth of calls last night before market close. That's crazy. Yeah. I mean, I think we're gonna get a long sometime soon. I just don't know when. So we got tropical highs on ES. So ES just tapped back into the 5-minute fair value gap. So literally anywhere out of here, I'm not gonna blindly long, but anywhere out of here definitely could get a long setup. This inverse is going crazy right now. And NQ. I'd want to see NQ trade back above the inverse. There is a little SMT, okay, so you can see like there is a little higher low created here, which doesn't mean anything yet, okay, because there's not really long setup yet. So it doesn't mean anything that there's an SMT yet because this could still go down at Q. But it's like it's kind of the start of okay. ES does want to, or they do want to get some sort of long setup, which is not happening yet, but you can see like it's trying a little bit, right? And this actually does kind of look like low resistance liquidity more than like an SMT because this is a perfect trend line. But again, like I said, the SMT doesn't really mean anything yet. We might dump to these lows and get an SMT. There's no long setup yet. How's it going, Ant? So there's the kind of the break of the low resistance liquidity. We should hit this low probably. We don't have to hit this low, but just because it is an SMT. Okay, so there it is anyways. Okay, so we're kind of in the area where you would not short anymore, you'd just be looking for a long setup. What do I want to see like for a potential long setup? Does anyone know? Yeah, I want to see like an inversion or something. So if this forms is like a woman of fair value gap, I want to see that inverse, and then maybe violate that, and a fair value gap maybe form at the same time. Basically just hunting for my model at the moment. Just so you guys know, so I actually think I can be here Friday, just not for a while because I have to pack and stuff, but I'm actually leaving Saturday morning. For some reason I thought I was leaving Friday, so I should be able to be here Friday, which is good. No, I don't think I'll have Wi-Fi, and if I do, it's not going to be good. You know. So technically this is an inversion now, but I don't like it just because this wasn't broken. This is definitely more of a B setup now because I don't want to see this violated, but this is not violated, so I can't confidently say if this is going to work or not. So I'm not taking this inversion. Same kind of situation happened yesterday with Leopard. He had the same scenario. He took this inversion right here, but he didn't know we were redelivering from a little higher fair value gap as well. So kind of the same situation. This might work. It's just a worse setup because we're delivering from here. So I'm just going to taper this one out. I would have slapped this, but we didn't break above that, so don't know if this is going to work or not. Yeah, it definitely looks like it. Not clean, but it's definitely there. Okay, so this did work, which is fine. I'm just really picky with inversions. I like when they're both broken. Again, you could have taken that, just definitely worse setup. So I'm going to drag this back a little more. See right here, even though we kind of already used this once, it's still going to be a point of resistance. So I'm just going to have that kind of drawn. We should take out these equal highs now on ES at some point. So you can see how much of a resistance this was. Nice. Yeah, this is probably more of an eval trade just to test the waters. Stop that 1 minute. Yeah, see, that was nice. That was a good fill. You could probably put yourself break even now. Yeah, should blast above these. I just don't know if we'll the 15 minute definitely did not pull back in the fair value gap, so I just don't know if we'll keep going higher after. want to see it. We need to see it close back above the inversions. What do you say? Okay, yeah, you're right. I want to see, so ES actually formed the order block, you can see. NQ did not form an order block. This is definitely struggling on Q. I want to see a strong close back above this inversion. Again, like any pullback you buy here, you want to scale here, just because this is resistance now. It is not resistance turn to support yet. See if there's there might be more buy side in ES. Let me check. No. Okay, so that's a nice move. Yeah, but higher here. So that's a nice close over the inverse. Now we should go right up to the highest now, and I'm in Q. ES should at least hit this high. Inverse here. Okay, so we got an inverse here in ES. I'm not gonna take it because, like I said, I don't want to take anything else open. Just tape reading. There's kind of relative equal highs here, so NQ should at least hit those. CPI, so I feel like CPI was so good that, like, there is a chance it could have been low a day. Like, I feel like any dip will be eaten. I don't know. I could be very wrong. Obviously, I'm going to watch the chart, and I don't play macro stuff, but we barely got our retracement into this NQ fair value gap. It went a little bit in, but it did not go fully in, so that's definitely huge dip being eaten. Yeah. Okay, so we're back in this inversion on NQ. I just want to see this hold. Pretty textbook along here. Obviously, I'm not going to take it, even though it's textbook. Should at least bring us up to these highs. Yeah, there's an inversion here, so. I traded more than I should have yesterday, so I'm trying to chill a little bit here. So we should go for these highs right there. And boom, that was so clean. Never broke them, but oh wait, we didn't even hit this high. So we hit this high. There we go. So that was the textbook long, obviously. I could have slapped that if I wanted, but I'm fine with not slapping that. Did I even take that long? Remember what I said, if we go back above the inversion fair value gap, we should go higher. And then it actually gave us a long setup too, so which is nice. So now I want buy side here. Okay, yeah, that was definitely a good play to take. This is exactly my model. So hopefully you should have probably taken this. ES should go up and hit this high now. And at the same time, ES had an inverse fair value gap. So lots of confluence there. And it gave you like, what, 13 points? Yeah, 13 points, which is pretty good. So, yo, what's up, Levi? Is this your, have you checked the charts today or no? Gotcha. Yeah, textbook long, just play it on NQ. Other than that, really nothing interesting. Obviously, CPI is very bullish, if you can't already tell. Yeah, gold, I'm looking for a long setup on gold. Yeah. Yeah, so... Oh yeah, it's very, yep. A lot of low resistance liquidity to the upside in gold, so. Yeah. What 1 minute fair value gap short, Jamie? There's no 1 minute short fair value gap here. I think we go for buy starting in Q. Just might be a while, unfortunately. I mean, there's this, but this doesn't even. This is irrelevant. Yeah, no, that's irrelevant. Jamie, that's just pointing out any fair value gap and just saying, what do you short this? This is not a fair value gap you'd ever think about shorting. Yep. Yeah, for sure. Jamie, try a demo short here. See what happens. I want you to experiment yourself. ES got 1, 2. ES got 5 equal highs here. Yeah, I agree with what Goonie's saying. No, Jamie, didn't even retrace into it. Do you see us touch the fair value gap? He never touched it. So it did not go 10 points because we did not touch it. Yeah, this is definitely support for now. Yeah, that's like nothing, dude. That's nothing for right now. Like right now, the volatility is so high. Yo, what's up, Butters? Butters, you hanging out with us today? Why? Butters, get on voice. We need your analysis. Yeah, I was in here. Your callouts suck. Butters, join up, buddy. All 100 people are waiting to hear you speak. Everyone at Butters, and tell him to come. Hey, Butters! Yo, can I get an L in chat for Butters? L Butters. Alright. Oh. Oh. Get him, Howie. Alright, we should keep running up here. You're bullish right now, right, Butters? Alright, good. Alright, Jamie. Now you can see if your short would work. I bet you it won't. Most people know this won't work. We're still holding this support, this inverse. Got an untapped high here in ES. We should just hit it. Well, why not here? What's wrong with here? Alright, boom. There's the ES high. And this short just failed because we just closed above. So there's the S high. We held the inversion. Perfect 5 points there in the S. Took a while to play out, but I am in a MNQ contract still on Q. I just didn't say anything about it. It's only one, so I'm just holding until this high. It's hopefully this hits. I don't like how ES already hit the high though. We need this really needs a boost up here. If we hit this high, we should be chilling because that means the market does not want to form an SMT here. Nice, Goonie. Yeah, I was basically the same thing, but on Q. Alright. Alright. 5 more points. Okay, so we just hit the... We basically just hit the first... Obviously, so there's two things in this market. The home run or external buy side which is this giant 4-hour target, and internal easy buy side. Okay, internal easy buy side to consider like high day. Okay, we just hit the internal easy buy side. I still want this, but just for future reference, just make sure you're always making sure the easy buy side is, because it's really good to take off there instead of just holding for the home run. Especially this is only a 6-point difference, so not too much. So we got a fair value up here now, which I'm gonna tape read, but why would you not take this? It's mainly because we just hit the high of day, so okay. Yeah, I think a long here is worth it. Worth trying. It doesn't look horrible. This is about a 2 risk reward. I kind of already missed the entry, but it's fine. I bet I alerted anyways. Okay, we should hit this in a second. There it is. So there's the first high profit. Boom. Yeah, beautiful. So I'm out of my MNQ there. I knew that was gonna hit. Like I said multiple times, you could have just kept buying MNQ and eventually the price target would have hit. So I'm all out there. There is higher buy side above, but that was really that was the first target. You can see my executions in execution chat, obviously. You can see the one I got stopped to break even on, the first one. So if you guys look at my executions and executions chat, A to B breaker measures. Yeah, I did. Yeah. If you're still in, I think it's worth it to try to hold a runner till at least up here. That'd be my next target. Gold should keep going higher, I'm assuming. This would be the first target. And then obviously the highs would be the second target. Okay, there's the first target. So take a scale here. Okay, so there's the scale. Bless you. If this was low a day, I'm telling you right now, I'm not trading the rest of the day. Goonie, make that your only trade. Oh, okay. Well, the gold trade's fine. I mean on NQNES. Make that your only trade. You're in the long, right? Okay. Good. Yeah. I think we just go right to the target, hopefully. Leopard, you in this? If you want to be safe, sell gold here. If you want to be fancy, sell gold here. It's crazy that the market isn't even open yet, bro. Oh, wow. I haven't ran a black line down here. Oh, it's these equal lows. Man, this is so perfect. I should have been looking at this today. This should play out, I'm guessing. Yo, what's up, Metal? I haven't seen you here in a little bit. So why haven't you traded all week? Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I got you. Yo, what's up, Metal? Have we gotta take anything yet? Did you take that NQ long? Damn. Gotcha. Where have you been? I haven't been here the last like 2 days. Where have you been? Just working? Yeah, that's good. Yeah. See, that's what I used to do. So, I have so much screen time now where I could literally take 5 trades in a day and be fine and just overtrade. It's always... Yeah, see, that would happen to me, but now I... Not to brag or anything, but I've gotten so good at like just knowing the draw and liquidity is where... And reversing positions and knowing when to reverse positions. Like, even if a trade starts to fail, like, I know I could reverse the position and get a win. Like, I don't know. just based off screen time. So I mean, I still try not to overtrade, but if I did ever overtrade, it doesn't hurt me too much because I still have a get a hunch kind of where price is going, which is nice. Yeah. Bro, I'm not even that good. There's some, I still need to work on some of my executions, but I appreciate it. Remember, everyone has their struggles. I'm not perfect, okay? When I'm off stream, I still have some shit executions occasionally. So I still need to work on. There's the equal highs, just marked. Again, this is not bearish until when? When will this be bearish? Yeah, exactly. Or 15-minute kind of bearish PD, or 15-minute bullish PD, or it gets violated. And I'm gonna How many of you guys actually set a risk reward? You don't scale. You leave your stop loss where it is. You don't ever move it to break even. And you just trade like that. How many of you actually do that? Okay, boom. There's price target. Yeah, be all out now. You'll kind of work on your rules. Like, the more you trade, the more you'll kind of set your own rules and you won't do stupid shit. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think you should try holding a runner. If anyone's still in, try holding a runner another 6 points. I mean, I'm guessing we're gonna hit it. Gold should keep going here. Or Euro should keep going, I mean. Really nice low resistance liquidity break there. Alright, so here's NQ. And yeah, so here's open. Again, this is bullish till I say otherwise. I think this could have been low day, as I said. Very good chance it was low day, just because CPI is so good. I think we're gonna go hit this high in ES here. Again, like I said, if you're still in NQ, I'll just be holding runners till up here. Yeah, you got 40 more points to go. Good luck. Turn off your screen and come back and see. You should like turn off your screen, come back and see, because there's no way you're gonna hold if you're just watching the whole time. No, I'm just saying in general for if anyone is. We just created equal highs. Whenever we create equal highs on a trend day, you know what that means. That usually means we're gonna come back up later. As of now, definitely conditions to be a trend day until we go for this high in NQ. We're so far away where it might just be a slow grind up here. And CPI is so good, so I feel like every dip's gonna be eaten. No, I don't think so. Yeah, I don't really care about the monthly. I just trade the 1 minute and go on with my life. In hindsight, this was a good turtle soup. You guys understand why in hindsight, right? Why in hindsight was that a good turtle soup? Okay, there's the high. So, again, like I said, equal highs. We know what that means. We know we're going to come back up to them. Usually you don't know when, but it happened to be right then. Yeah, I think it's gonna. That's why I said I try to hold around until up here, because I think we're just gonna keep pumping. What risk or reward trade will this be? Get the stop. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I feel you. Remember, this is still bullish, so I say anything, we're still holding this order block here. Actually, this is more of a propulsion block, because we can see right here, this is the order block, so this is the propulsion block. What do you guys first notice about this open? What's the first thing you notice? Not necessarily slow, but yeah, kind of chop. There's not been a big displacement anywhere yet. Okay, so I'm already not interested in trading this. There's been no displacement anywhere yet. We've had displacement, just not out of the range. So I'm not really interested in this right now. Yeah. I know a short is favorable right now. It's just gonna be risky to take and it might not go far if you do get a short. You should hit this high. I'm not trusting this at all yet. We do have some noticeable low resistance liquidity here. Okay, which means if we close below this, I think NQ is a lot more room down to like this low. Yeah, again, this price action is not favorable at all right now. It's pretty bad. I'm gonna do my Wordle real quick. I'm afraid of shorting any setup I see. Don't do it. Levi's always the person like, yeah, this is one of those days where you can just hold all day, and then he never does it. he's aiming for like 50 million handles here. All right, so I think we're gonna dump here a little bit, and I don't think it's gonna be major, but I think we're gonna dump at least this low on NQ. The body looks like it's gonna close under this. Okay, we just created 5-minute equal lows here. Like the thing is, in this situation, you got to realize as soon as we take out this low, what are we hitting? A fair value gap and an order block. So it's just really risky to chase short down here, especially if this is trend day conditions right now. And CPI is so good, but as of right now, as long as we don't go back above this order block, definitely looks short-term bearish here. At equal lows, and yes, if the second we go back above this order block, that changes. But again, I'm not shorting anything. I'm just tape reading. No, the ones at 4506. But after those equal lows, what do we have? We have a fair value gap here. So, very risky to hold past these lows, and this is one of those situations where if you do hold past these lows, you're going to want to see very quick movement, or else you're going to get stopped to break even. So, yeah. All right, so NQ just traded back above the order block. What do you say, Levi? So, Levi, or NQ already traded back above the order block. Again, it's just hard to trust a short here. We still have these equal lows in the S. You know, I'm just tape reading. I'm not actually shorting. I will probably not take a short today unless I see something major violated. And if you do take a short, you do not hold long. What do you say? No. I don't see any short entry. Yeah, I don't see a short entry. I'm in the one right now. Right here. And this is not really good short entry in my opinion, but yeah. Again, we still bias it up here, so any short I see, either I'll not take it or not hold long. If I do take it, which I probably won't, I'd rather just be looking for longs. So I'd rather be looking for the short to then take the good long, just because we still bias it up here. So that's my bias for the day still. If there wasn't equal lows here, this would be a really good long setup. It might still work, but why would this be a good long setup if it's against my rules to long with equal lows anyways, so it's not like it's still a good long setup, but it's just against my rules. But why would this be a good long setup? Or why would I take this long right now if we didn't hit these equal lows right here? Yeah, exactly. Inverse fair value gap. And we have buy set above an NQ. And it's a reclaimed order block here. So 3 confluences here. Again, it's just against my rules to take it, but it doesn't look bad. And then you'd probably target 5 handles, which would be right here. So if it's not against your rules long with equal lows below, but put yourself to break even now. But you're gonna see it's a good setup, but just against my rules, unfortunately. Can't do anything about it. No, breakers are like a swing lower high. This is not a swing lower high. Yeah. Alright, so there's the 5-handle target. We should go hit this high now. Yeah. And usually the order block's not a swing high. Yeah. Is it not against anyone's rules to long with equal lows, and did anyone actually long this? I would have 100% slapped it if the low's not there. Again, it's just by rules. If not, it's fine. I'm just wondering. You went long in NQ? Okay, yeah, that was a good long. Nice, Reggie. Reggie, I feel like you take everything. What? Oh, yes, for sure. For sure. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, what's up, Andy? Did you take that? Good job. So you see the inverse and then the fair rally gap and then the reclaimed order block? Nice. Yeah, see, I think... Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely a good setup. It's just, I personally cannot take that. I figured it was going to work, but just want to be careful in that situation. So NQs go out about 20 more points to go to buy side. ND, I'd probably scale some here and try to hold the rest till ND hits higher. Okay. Alright, well, it's fine, I guess. I think we can go higher, though, still. Yeah, I hate trend days. Well, actually, I've actually kind of not... I haven't minded trend days in a while. Like, I've been doing fine with them. I've definitely learned how to trade trend days. Yeah, you have to recognize it early, and you have to learn to... You have to learn that you will never get the discount entry in a trend day. That's the one thing. And it's annoying, but... Yeah. I got two things that can happen right now. We go up. Your styles can get blown out. Trust me. Why are you trying to short? There's no short entry. Nah, we're gonna go to buy side here, bro. We're forming a live order block. Yeah, ES is gonna go higher too. All right, well, let's everyone say good luck to Levi. As soon as we trade above this order block in NQ, or with this potential order block, you're done for. You're done for. Wait, where's your stop? $45.22. All right, bet. $45.22. All right, cool. Thank you for that information. Everyone see what I'm doing here? Bro, it might work. I'm just playing with them. This is still bullish. This is still bullish for sure. I 100% know this is still bullish, but we could go like this and then go back up, which means his short would work. Okay, is the bias bearish right now? Absolutely not. It's very risky to short. So kind of just messing around with them. It could work. It could, like, we might hit his take profit, then we might go for the sell limit, right? You just never know. Okay. I see where you're coming from. We got a 5-minute, see your issue is we got a 5-minute order block here in NQ, so this is just gonna be very hard for this to break. Again, if I had to say gun to my head, I think it's gonna stop out, but I know the bias is bullish here. Just from this candle, I know for a fact we're gonna go hit this high. We got a nice hammer candle and a bunch of liquidity up here. Levi, bro, there's literally no shorts up. You're better than this. Get out of your ass and start and wait for a setup. RTY? Okay, maybe it worked in RTY. I don't watch that. Yeah, it would be way faster if the bias is bearish, but it's not. Alright, so there's NQ high. We should just keep going up here in NQ. 15 more points to the high. Stop going down. Damn it. So the issue here is, see, now the short might work because we hit the high in NQ. You just never know. Right, we'll hit the internal high, go way down, then hit the external high later. Or sometimes we hit the internal high and then we just keep pumping. Really just depends on the time, news. Pretty sure the speaker right now. Yeah, there's not enough selling pressure, guys. Definitely looking a little weak here. We're still above the, we're still holding the 5-minute order block though, so this is 100% not bearish yet. Sometimes people in the 1 minute will be like, "Oh, this big red candle, this is bearish," but you gotta just make sure you're remembering what the higher time frames look like, right? This is the 4-minute we're holding order block. This is the 5-minute we're holding order block. And boom, baby, buy side tagged. So good job if you chased that. I was trying to enter down here if you couldn't tell, but really wish I was on EU. So EU is a really good study. We should keep going up here on ES, as I said. See, the 1 minute candle didn't even matter. Okay, and we just formed an order block here. So this order block should accelerate us. Right up 10 more points and we're chilling. If this buy side hits, I'm getting out of ES, even if we don't hit the Levi stop loss. Yes, I do, Samir. DXY is extremely bearish. So it made sense for Euro to be bullish. Checking for 1 to 5 minute fair value gap. I'm not sure. Bro, where'd Goonie go? Oh, Goonie went back to bed. Oh, yeah. I checked the... Yeah, I just make sure we're not redelivering. So I'll check the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to make sure we're not redelivering from like a fair value gap. So this might not be a fair value gap in the 2, 3, 4, 5, but it is in the 1. So let's say I wanted to short this. Because it is a fair value gap, because this was a bullish fair value gap on the 1 minute chart, and not the 2, 3, 4, 5, I still would not short this because it is a fair value gap and that's where we're redelivering from. Bro just said we're making a rising wedge. Market mover. Please tell me you don't have that drawn in your chart. I don't know what setup he's seeing. I got you, market mover. Okay, that makes sense. Wait, Levi, are you talking? Okay, I'm just making sure. Seems like Levi's just shorting for the hell of it. I'm not sure though. Alright, well there you have his answer. Hey, I like that answer. I like that answer. Leopard, I'm currently in a long fading Levi. My take profit is whenever NQ hits buy side or we hit Levi stop loss. Come on, go hit buy side. See, I told you you should have held ND. Actually, I'm not even gonna lie, ND, maybe you shouldn't have held. This is your cons probably would have been destroyed by now. Wow, that was nasty. So we held the mean threshold, hit internal liquidity, but we did not take out external. They're really trying to shake people out here. Honestly, if we close below this mean threshold on NQ, Levi short might work. But for now, not gonna work. Oh, EU shorts. Okay. Yeah, this might work. If you want to try it, it's nah. I mean, this is one of those low risk. It's a low risk, okay? It's not a good setup, but it is low risk. The only reason why I want to take a U shorts yet is because of this. See how we're holding this order block? And buy side on gold hit, by the way. So do you understand what I'm trying to say to you? Yeah, so the fact that we're holding this OB still means this is more of a low risk buy. It's not a good setup, but like, yeah, hopefully you get what I mean. I would wait till kind of more of these are violated. Yeah. And as you guys know, I don't really take the lower. I've taken low probability, like the low probability ones in the past. I don't want to. I would not take that one. Yeah, exactly. Again, this is one of those things that might work in hindsight. You're like, oh, why did I take that? But it's up to you because this is good risk reward for sure. Just because your stop would be here, you probably try to target these equal lows, which this is 2.2 risk reward, and then you can hold runners, or you could target this for a value gap. But definitely on the mid probability side. If you're risk reward, all risk reward traders, they will take this. Okay, people who care about their skill in ICT will not take this. I'll watch it, see if it works, but obviously I'm not in. NQ still holding the mean threshold. Just being a bitch. Wait 1 second, my headphones are not in. What'd you say? Oh, I don't know. I'm not in geometry class, I'm trading. Alright, so Euro, the short or 2 internal liquidity, we might bounce here though. So, like, if you did take this, you would just figure south break even. Alright, so the mean threshold is still holding on NASDAQ. Definitely looks like it's struggling though. So Levi's short might work here, not gonna lie. But we're probably gonna go back up eventually. Wait, where's your take profit? Okay, so I'll put my stop at 5 handles. Right here. So let's see if it gets stopped. Definitely struggling more than I would like to see it. Again, if we zoom out to the 5 minute, 5 minutes still bullish. The 1 minute just keeps giving us all these wacky candles. We have low resistance liquidity on NQ, so this should break up still. Yep. Just don't know when. So honestly, Levi's short might still work because ES is kind of slowed down here, and if NQ hits this buy side, which it should, we're probably not going to be at the sell limit. Yeah, ES is definitely building lower resistance liquidity here too. Okay, you can see all these just highs in a row right here. My friend just said going to blow my brains out if NQ doesn't take this high. I agree, Pips. Come on, uppity up here, please. It's crazy. So the mean threshold is actually quite strong, but the more times it's tested, the more skeptical it's gonna break. You really don't want this tested again, because the next few times you test it, there's no way it's gonna hold. I know Levi said he was in a paper, but there's no way you're in a paper, dude. Alright. 3 more points. There's the NQ high again. All the low resistance liquidity gone. A little bit more. I swear, if it stops here, I'm gonna be mad. And 2 points more. Boom, baby. All right. So now the NQ at buy side, I'm going to get out of my ES long because ES could dump here still. But that was beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So NQ, so EU would have just been stopped to break even there. Like I said, I was not surprised that happened. So it works through internal, but it still fails because we're still holding the OB. Alright, well, that's it for me today. I'm guessing ES should hit this high. There it is. I just scalped that. Alright, so there's the ES high. Did not hit Levi's stop loss somehow, in some way. But yeah, so that's why I went long there. Just I knew those two bullish. You guys understand why you wouldn't have shorted there, right? This is what I scalped, by the way. Great fucking stream again. Cannot have asked for better streams. I'm unstoppable, bro. Someone stop me. You wait. We just hit buy side, so you wait. Okay, so don't really have much else to say here. There's really no point in me being on after this because all my targets hit. So now it might not be a trend day because we just hit buy side. Definitely still trend day conditions, but I really have no higher targets. Oh wait, these daily equal highs. Potentially. So maybe those daily equal highs. This is definitely a propulsion block. Yeah, really nothing else to say. I don't think I'll be in a PM session. I think I have to run a bunch of errands. What?